the English is important language in the world? First, I would like to introduce Mr. Jadhav, an educationist, Mrs. Joshi, a mother, and Mrs. Patkar, a teacher. First, I would like to ask Mr. Jadhav, what is the importance of English language?
English language opens new career opportunities. It is the top language of the internet. It makes our life more entertaining and it is the language of commerce and trade.
English is essential and important language in the world. I would like to ask teacher, Mrs. Patkar, how do you teach English in the classroom for vernacular medium students and what are the problems?
To teach English in vernacular medium classroom is very challenging. First, we teacher focus on reading skills. We have to apply different techniques and methods to develop English language. Parents should create an English atmosphere for their children to develop English language. The regional academy authorities also organizes the training for teachers like Chase and Tejas to develop English language.
Now teacher must update the knowledge and focus the continuous professional development. Now let's move and ask a mother, what do you do at home to develop the English language of your daughter?
Nowadays, I have changed all cartoon programs into English language. I have bought some English storybooks to my daughter. Whenever we go out, I always motivate my daughter to read some hoarding, some instruction on railway station, bus stop and garden.
What do you think Marathi medium student could be reach the English medium student level?
Sure, 100% sure. Teachers are getting good qualities. Students are getting huge exposure of English language in the school. The curriculum is developed of first language and third language, near about the same.
What do you think views of Mr. Jadhav?
I am fully agree with the view of Mr. Zhar. Nowadays, English language of students is developing by different games and activities. We arrange varieties of techniques and methods and students actively participated in it.
Mrs. Joshi, are you satisfied with the views of Mrs. Patkar?
Yes, I am very happy to admit my daughter in Marathi medium school. She can read, speak and write fluently.
Today we are very happy with Marathi medium student because who is speaking English very well. Thank you.